Hi guys! Welcome to JPYH Corners Podcast.
Tara, kwentuhan na tayo.
Pag-usapan natin ng mga bagay-bagay tungkol sa buhay.
For tonight's guest, meron tayong pinakamagandang binibini na matatagpuan sa Quezon City. Myla Walker.
So proud!
How did you first discover your true self?
I first discovered my true self, I think when I was in grade 5. I had an awakening na crush ko yung isa sa mga kaklase ko.
Pero before grade 5, parang hindi ka ba doon ba yung yung confusion mo na
I think yes, parang I had a crush on a girl when I was in grade 3, tapos nung grade 4 wala na siya. Wala lang, hindi ko na siya crush. Tapos parang grade 5, nagka-crush ako sa kaklase kong guy hanggang grade 6. I would go lunch with the girls kasi separate mag-lunch yung boys sa girls. I don't know why, it's just that sumasama ko sa girls. And then I would hang out with them, ganyan. And parang I feel more connected with girly activities. I like it. Nag-uusap sila ng High School Musical, ganyan. Nag-uusap sila ng Bring It On. Genuine, Bring It
So doon
On.
na nag-transition
Chili,
yung mga
and
activities mo, na-turn na sa yung interest mo sa mga friends na girls.
oh, yeah, parang, I love my girlies, my girlfriends. When I was in high school talaga, I went all out. Not totally all out, pero parang my mom noticed that I was different and parang niril talk na ako. Like, she literally cut to the chase and tinanong niya ako, ano ka ba talaga? Pero hindi siya nagalit. Sabi ko, Ma, I'm gay. Sabi niya, ay, natuwa pa siya, may anak akong sirena. Gumanon siya. And I'm probably the first of their kind, of their kin. And she's very, very happy with the fact that parang I'm gay. She wasn't really mad about it. Nanonood ako ng Barbie at the, mga Barbie Rapunzel, Barbie,
Anong
Utopia.
Grade 5 ka na?
No, high school na
High
kami
school
to.
na.
When eto na parang awakening ko na, I realized to myself na parang, oh my gosh, I am gay. And then, syempre, I had so many crushes din in high school. So, mga kapatid ko, didn't really have to come out kasi I think, sabi nila, they already know. Kasi wala naman akong girlfriend, wala akong crush na babae. And malamya ako, I wear dresses, shorts,
napapansin
ganyan.
talaga through movements.
Parang, sabi ko nga, one time sa kapatid ko, si Heather, sumunod sa akin, yung girl. Siya lang yung girl sa amin. And then sabi ko, buti hindi ko na kailangan mag-come out sa Instagram. Hindi na kailangan man kasi parang matik na sa amin yun, ganyan. Kasi, lalo kang lumalabas, tumitili ka, naka-pek-pek shorts ka. Oo ma! Oh my gosh, the shortest of the shorts talaga. Tapos, yung kapatid kong mga babae din, yung mga shorts na yung mga panlalaki talaga nalagpas doon.
Mas nakakaba pa sa'yo.
Oo, ako lang nagsusot ng mga puke shorts. Tapos, hindi maglalandi-landi ako sa labas, ganyan. And I remember one time, this is funny. Natapos ako maligo noon, like literally. And ewan ko ba, my sister kinda hates love me and parang low-key binubuli niya ako. Hindi ko alam, randomly inawin yung pet ko. Tapos sinabi niya kay Mami, Mami, si Jamal ginagamit niya yung pH care. Amoy pH care, kahala-malo mong gagamitin yun. Tapos, ano sabi ng mama ko?
Nung that time, nung ginamit mo siya,
Hindi ko siya ginamit, bes! Pero inaano lang ako, inaansya niya lang ako. Tapos may masumbong lang siya. Tapos akala niya papagalitan ako. Alam mo sabi mama ko, hayaan mo siya, marami tayo niyan. Girl siya. Hindi na talaga nakakaalam. Actually, up to this day, is my dad. Kasi parang, my dad is very homophobic.
Pero paano mo na tago yung identity mo na ganyan?
When I was in high school, I had fake girlfriends. Mga friends kong girl, lumalabas kami for movies, ganyan.
Talagang knowing alam ng girlfriend mo na kailangan nating
Oo, sabi ko, charot lang hindi kayo to the friend ako, dili ko kayo. Tapos sabi niya, sige friend, tapos
Kasi,
libreng senior rin eh, di ba? Oo, bibigyan kami ng dad. Bibigyan ako ng dad ko ng a big amount of money just to go out, you know.
Para lang.
Take it, tapos pumunta.
yung kadalasan ng mga dad, parang,
Oo.
sige, i-treat mo yung girlfriend mo.
Especially my dad being a Black American, ayaw niya nga ako yung pupunta sa kanila, gusto niya yung mga girls na pumupunta sa amin para makita niya, oh, she's pretty, I like her, ganyan. Is this her girlfriend? Sabi ko, yeah, she's my girlfriend, ganyan. Tapos, lalabas kami, kakain kami, magpipig out talaga kami, tapos manonood kami ng sine, inom kami. I had a fake girlfriend before, and her name's Joanne. Shout out sa'yo, girl. Thank you for saving me through my high school years. Nung college na ako, wala na ako sa bahay, wala na ako sa Olongapo. Doon na talaga parang, I was really allowed to be myself. And you know, parang what helped me rin kasi is when I was in high school, may mga classmate akong bakla na ini-invite ako, mo nagka-miss gay, ganyan. Yung parang syempre, yun din yung mga backpack. Pero ayokong sumali. Gusto ko lang panoorin yung queer art, you know, that they're performing on the stage. Nagkakabugan sa... it represents the community. Na lang ako, natutuwa lang akong mapanood sila na nagagandahan mga bading, naka-bikini, naka-costume. Tapos parang, ay, ang kabog, ganyan. Tapos pag nag-Q&A, mami, talagang, ay, may ganun, mami. Kaya parang, ever since then, I've been a pageant fan talaga. And then, that actually helped me a lot. The advice I would give to someone that's coming out na parang, sometimes, they just know, you know, parang, you don't have to announce it to the world. Ako kasi my mom asked me. Kaya sinabi ko na rin. And then I'm just so glad kasi hindi siya nagalit. She was actually happy for me. And I also want to share that I also had a debut on 18th birthday. Really? Yeah, may 18 dance ako, may 18 ako. I swear to God. My mom really made an effort dito. Pero syempre wala yung daddy ko na sa stage siya. may medical yung dad ko. So yun, she took that opportunity para paghandaan ako on my 18th birthday, and that's actually so special to me. Hindi naman siya super bonggang debut, but it was something na parang naramdaman ko na, ay, dalaga na talaga ako. Ano na, oh my God! Nagpa-karaoke pa kami, ganyan, and I invited my closest of friends in high school.
Actually, yung dun pa lang sa pagtanggap niya, di ba? Biggest gift na for you yun.
Honestly, yeah, kasi akala ko talaga, magagalit siya eh. So, ayun, and for people naman that hindi pa nila kaya mag-come out, I think you should stay in the closet for as long as you can, whenever you feel comfortable coming out. Walang pilitan, of course, kasi parang, if you feel like it's your time to come out, it's your time, you know? Yeah. Nasa sa'yo yan, whenever you feel comfortable, whenever you feel safe. And I hope that parang, when we have friends na nag-come out tayo sa friends lang natin or sa family, sana wag na nating sabihin sa iba.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi parang, pag ina-out mo sila without their permission, and nakaabot yun sa mga taong ayaw nilang malaman na they're this. Diba? Syempre, it also feels like a betrayal. They trusted you with that information, and they're hoping that you keep that with them. You know, in this world, there are so many. There are so many people that sasabihin nila, you can trust me with this.
They can use it against you.
Yun nga parang.
Hindi dahil it's a bad thing, pero kumbaga, you're not ready, di ba? For the revelation.
And, I don't know, there are just people that has the pleasure of doing that.
May question ako about sa father mo. Ngayon, sa ngayon, ano yung relationship mo with your dad?
I'm still close with my dad. Every now and then he calls me and I call him back. Kasi,
pero you still pretend like
hindi na, I mean, wala naman akong sinasabi, wala akong introduce sa fake girlfriend sa kanya. Hindi naman na tinatanong, parang kinakausap ako generally.
Tingin mo meron na ba siyang idea?
Actually marami na nagsasabi niya na parang, I think he already knows, pero I think I'm literally still afraid to tell him. Kasi parang,
ayaw niya lang siguro yung confrontation na kailangan niya.
Alam mo ba, one time when I was young, I was in high school, sumasayaw ko ng Jaiho, may little cookie shirts on. Meron kasi kaming radyo noon, like a big stereo talaga, as in laking radyo like this big. And then, syempre, this is channeling, no? Then Jaiho, tapos, syempre sikat pa yung Jaiho noon.
Yes.
Tapos sinayaw ko yung Jaiho, tapos nakita ko ng tatay ko, oh my gosh, friend, sinuntok niya ako, friend. Are you gay? Sabi ko, no, ganyan.
Ano yan? High
You better
school?
not be.
Jaiho ba is high school days mo?
I think, yeah. Jaiho is high school. Tapos, umiyak ako noon, friend, kasi parang, ayun yung talaga yung parang takot ko na ayaw ko pa rin malaman niya. Ayun, parang I just don't want na yung tingin niya sa akin is magbago. I actually like when he just calls me to like, wala lang, kamustahin na lang ako, how are you? So, kukwento siya sa akin na may ahas daw siyang nakita sa bahay, ganyan.
Pero nakakatuwa lang kasi nga, continuous pa rin yung relationship.
Yeah.
Knowing na yung dad mo is nga, against sa pagiging gay.
Yeah, he's absolutely homophobic. And
Pero kumbaga, tinatalikuran niya yung partner. Feeling ko naman, alam niya na rin siguro. May idea na rin siguro siya. Pero kumbaga, nananaig yung pagmamahal. Di ba?
I think, parang, pag sinabi niya sa akin, he already knows. I think I'm just gonna cry, like, I'd literally cry my eyes out. I'd be blind the next day. Kasi parang, hindi ko kakayanin yun na parang sasabihin niya sa akin, he already knows na ganito ako, tas tangkat niya ako. I think that's the validation and that's something I wanted to hear from him for so many years. And I think hearing it from him talaga alone would be such a blessing for me. Would change my life, would trajectorily parang, alam mo yun, change me as a human being as well. Siguro ma-validate na yung feelings na tinatago ko, yung emotions, lahat ng gusto kong sabihin sa kanya na peke lang yung girlfriend na dinadala ko noon.
Yeah.
Gusto
yung
kong,
ano pa rin sa'yo eh. Burden pa rin sa'yo.
Oo. And then, parang, I don't know if that day will happen, but I really hope that it does because, you know, life is actually so sudden. One thing can happen, you know, and you lose your loved one.
Ano-ano yung mga challenges na na-overcome mo?
May mga, of course, hindi mawawala yung discrimination. Dadaan ka sa kalsada, sa eskinita, tapos may mga, bakla, gaganunin ka. Pero wala lang, dinidagma ko lang kasi totoo naman. And I think that parang they're using that as a negative connotation.
Tapos pagtatawanan ka.
Yeah, parang bakla, bading, ganyan.
Nung bata ako, nagawa ko rin yan. Yeah.
Okay,
Kasi,
it's fine.
kumbaga kasi, pero yung tipo na dumating tayo sa maturity na alam na natin na yung realidad, di ba? No, na hindi siya dapat pagtawanan.
Tama nga naman.
Pero kung tutusin kasi ngayon, ano na yung tao, di ba? Mulat na yung tao sa ganyan.
Oo naman.
Kung ganyan mo siya gagawin, di ba? Matured ka na, right age ka na, 18 pataas, tapos ginagawa mo pa rin yan. Parang hindi ka tumanda. Parang wala kang kinatandaan. Wala ka bang natutunan sa overtime, wala ka natutunan, di ba? Parang dapat at some point umabot na tayo sa pag-realize na hindi siya dapat gawing katatawanan. Kung ginagawa pa rin siyang katatawanan sa mga magtotropang lalaki, di ba? Usually yan parang bakla-baklaan, minsan ako nagbabakla-baklaan. Pero in a way na yung bakla mismo na parang i-degrade mo siya, gagamitin mo yung salitang bakla to insult, di ba? That's not good thing for
Actually, that's the hardest thing about it na parang kasi may mga straight guys na parang they look at us as a joke, as a humiliation, ganyan. Pero they don't know that we have our own lives.
Yeah.
You know, our lives are not easy. I wish it was, but you know, it isn't easy. And I think that parang some parents are not afraid of their son or their daughter becoming gay or queer. I think they're afraid that people might hurt them for who they are. I think yung talagang kinakatakutan ng mga magulang natin, not them being gay themselves, honestly.
Yeah,
I mean, siguro hindi lahat, but you know, I'm not a parent, But I think, at some point, that's what
Parang ano
they
yun eh, pinagkakatiwalaan ka nila on how you handle yourself, pero hindi sila nagtitiwala sa environment.
Tama,
Yes,
tama.
yes.
Sa mga taong nakapaligid, I think that's the hardest part about it.
Tingin mo, naka-apekto ba yung identity mo na para kung nasan ka ngayon? Kung paano na-shape yung ano mo, path mo?
I think it did. Realizing who I really am, really parang made the path for me, made the way. And also syempre with the acceptance of my mom and my siblings. And also yung mga aunties ko na yun, mga uncles ko, mga pinsan ko, they love me for who I am. Na nakakatuwa daw ako na ganyan. Kasi nung pumunta ko sa Bicol, ganyan, baklang-bakla na ako. Ay, ano ba naman itong
Actually, nakakatuwa talaga
nakukulitan sila sa akin, ganyan.
Sarap magkaroon ng gay friend.
Yes.
Kasi
Super.
mga auntie ko.
super
Ay,
energetic.
ang landi mo talagang bakla ka. Ginaganon-ganon nila ako. Pero inapabiro, ang landi mo talagang bakla ka. Kumain ka na nga dito. Maganon-ganon mga auntie ko. Ay, ayan na si Myla Wee. Natutuwa sila sa akin. I think that parang my family really helped me shape my journey. They helped me, make a way for who I really am. It's really their acceptance talaga. And of course, I also give credit to my friends na parang they stuck with me, who even they know who I really am, the good and the bads, it doesn't, hindi naman puro kita kagawa ko na masama, it doesn't parang negate lahat ng mga nagawa ko mabuti, just because I'm gay. And ayun, there's a lot of people along the way that helped me, that carved the path, paved the way for me, or helped me make my own way.
What are your hopes for the future?
Ang hopes ko for the future is, since we're still struggling with acceptance, with support, ganyan. I actually watched a video of Ayn Bernos, and she talked about parang the meaning of respect and support. Na may Muslim girl na, I respect all the LGBTQIA people, but I don't support their lifestyle. Parang ganun. Parang in-explain ni Ayn Bernos na to make it short, it should come together. Kasi parang if it doesn't come together, so parang to support them, you love them, ganyan-ganyan. So paano mo maipapakita yung pagmamahal mo kung hindi mo sila sinusuportahan. Parang hindi lang naman sa lifestyle, but our everyday battle against, the discrimination.
Playing safe yun eh.
Parang ganun, oo. And I get it naman kasi she's Muslim, she's religious, and siguro, alam ko,
Bawal
bawal
sa
sa kanila yan.
ano.
Pero kasi if you say a statement that contradicts the other,
Yeah.
it's nothing.
Walang sense. Diba?
It's literally 1 minus 1, it's 0. So, basic math. You give a compliment, tas 0. Alam mo yun, parang you say one thing and you say another.
Parang pogi
Diba?
ka nga eh, pero lagi may pero.
Okay, pero wala eh, maliit ka. Alam mo, parang backhanded compliment. And, yun nga, parang mini-clear ni Ayn Bernos yun that parang both of these should come together. So,
Yeah.
those are my hopes for the future. And I really, really hope din for the future na mapasa na yung ADB, Anti-Discrimination Bill. And also, I hope that parang, alam mo yun, isali, I'm not wishing for too much, pero sana mas mapalawak pa yung mga seminar sa mga schools about yung SOGI, ganyan, sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression, mga SOGI seminars, para, children need to learn, diba? Para at least paglaki nila na, ay, ganito siya. And they learn to respect them. Kasi, when children starts at a very young age, just parang hindi sila naturuan talaga ng maayos, they didn't learn. Gagawin nila yun early in their years. Tas
Doon nagsisimula yung ano eh.
Yeah, doon talaga
pagiging homophobic ng isang tao.
Yeah,
Pag nakikita sa parents niya na gano'n yung dapat tratuhin itong mga to. Yan, na-adapt nila hanggang sa paglaki.
Yes.
Diba?
And then parang, excuse me, hanggang sa paglaki nila. Pero I'm glad for yung may mga kids like you that they grew out of that phase, they learned, and I'm hoping then that our future generation is like that. Pero sana naman they really have knowledge of it at a very young age.
Yeah.
Siguro not at the age of 10 or not the age of, just in the right age. Actually, in high school, I think that's safe to say na parang
Mas naiintindihan na yung mga ganun.
if they could have a quick subject for that or parang a seminar lang, kasi when I was in high school, as far as I know, wala kaming ganyan na sexual orientation, gender identity expression na mga programs, mga ano. Although may Miss Gay kami, pero it's something that it's something, although that's a representation, but we need something more diverse. Na parang we need a lesson, we need teachings, kanyan, And, syempre, I also do hope din na parang the children, pag nag-explore na sila, they practice safe sex talaga.
Yes.
I think sex education is actually very, very important. Not only for the gays, but for everyone.
Yes,
Diba? Yung condoms, yung pills, ganyan.
para
mga
maiwasan yung
ano.
paglaganap ng sexually transmitted disease. Diba?
Yes.
Yes, that's what I was gonna say. And of course, I wanted teenage pregnancy as well. I think that parang they should be educated. Kasi yung mga
Yes.
bata pag nakakarinig ng penis, vagina, iyo, hala, tapos tatawanan nila, although it's a serious matter. I admit, I was one of those kids, pero
Yes.
parang growing up, okay, yeah, oo nga, ganyan nga. Di ba parang, some of us late tayo nagmamature eh. Pero,
Kumbaga, dumadating yung mga consequences muna bago mo ma-realize.
yun nga eh. And I hope that it's not really too late for the children na parang they learn very early.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi, hindi natin mapipigilan yung mga children to explore.
True.
Diba? Kahit sabihin natin,
Ito yung
wag ka
panahon na gusto nating
curious
subukan
talaga.
lahat.
Oo,
Yes.
yeah. Hindi natin napipigilan yung mga anak natin, yung mga bata to explore
Yung tipong
themselves
kala mo
actually.
na ano mo sila, na didisiplin mo sila.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi mo lang sila kasama sa pag-aaral nila, di ba? Hindi mo na
Yun nga eh.
mamatyagan yun eh. So, dapat maging cautious tayo na i-advance natin na bago pa makagawa ng mistake, turuan mo na.
Yes.
Saka alam mo yun, parang I think that children should also, yun nga, yung learn about the reproductive system, yung the birds and the bees, if you're familiar with that. Ayun. And para makaiwasan tayo sa so many unwanted things like diseases, ganyan, and unwanted pregnancy, and everything else that comes with it. So, yeah, I have really high hopes for the future for that. And, ayun lang, for me at least, started young.
Tingin mo, kasi di ba, nagiging issue yun. Parang, paano kayo i-address? Ikaw, para sa'yo, tingin mo, ano yung mas prefer mo? Na,
Ako, I'm a hihim, pero since pangalan ko Myla, I'm a she, her. Pero okay lang naman kahit he, him, or she, her ako. I don't really mind. But I'm not a they, them, I respect the non-binary people na they, them yung pronoun nila. Okay, that's fine. Pero I'm not a they, them because I'm a homosexual guy. I'm okay with he, she, deadma, ganyan. Yung TL ko nga pag nag-ano siya ng email, Myla, she, ganito, mga good works ko, she did this.
yes.
Ganyan. And knowing that my boss, yung manager ko talaga, may LOB manager, yung head namin, she knows that, I'm a gay guy, pero the pronouns are used as she. Siyempre, she knows it's me, and wala naman, parang kasi, the diversity in our office is very, is very large, unique, ganyan, and our company is very accepting of that. So yeah, but thank you for asking that though, because that's actually so important. Kasi sometimes when you misgender a person, they get offended.
Yes, maraming mga, kumaga, may mga straight guy na nangangamba sila kung pag tinawag ko bang sir to or ma'am, di ba? Parang,
Baka ma-offend.
baka ma-offend. Meron akong kilala, photographer siya actually. Ano namin, co-supplier namin, is ano siya, tomboy. Tapos, di niya alam kung tatawagin niyang sir or ma'am. Tawag niya na lang boss. Boss.
At least EFAS, di ba?
Yeah. Tapos, sa akin naman, kasi ako personally, ang tinatawag ko pagka yung alam kong gay, pero nakasuot na panlalaki or parang alam mo yung hindi siya masyadong showy na pagiging gay niya or hindi siya cross-dresser. Tapos lalo na sa profession or sa corporate world, tawag ko sir or he, yan, him. Pero kapag yung alam ko na, alam mo yung cross-dresser na kapang damit babae, hindi ako nahihirapan tawaging ma'am or miss. Diba? Kasi parang,
Tama naman.
kumaga, yun na yun eh. Pinakita niya na kung ano siya yung
Tama.
identity
Yeah.
na dapat
That's
i-address siya.
right, actually. Or if you don't know, just ask. Like,
Yeah.
how would you like me to call you? Ganyan. Would you like to be called ma'am, sir? Ano
Doon
ba
naman tayo sa point ng
pronouns
open na
mo?
tayo. Eh.
Diba?
Yes, oo.
Tama. You know, just to parang respect them na lang. Ang dami kasi parang ano ngayon na parang they still misgender people out of parang yan naman yung gender mo nung pinanganak ka. Yan naman yung, di ba? And it's just so, ang uncomfortable lang pag nami-misgender ka, honestly. And I don't like, I don't want that negative feelings or how people feel bad about themselves to the queer community. So I think that parang, you know, just a simple thing. Like, we aren't asking for too much. If you don't know, just ask, you know. So yeah, or I think, yeah, boss, it's very, very safe. Boss, ganyan. O yakat sama. Master. Nanakin sa Demon Slayer. O yakat sama. O yakat sama.
At yun na nga guys, nakita natin yung insights ni Myla at saka yung journey, di ba? Nakita natin kung paano siya nalaman natin kung paano siya nag-come out, so paano siya natanggap ng friends niya, families, di ba? Kumbaga, andito si Myla para i-represent, di ba, yung community, di ba? Kaya kung hindi naman tayo nakahahabol sa Pride Month, di ba? Yun yung plan natin, di ba?
Yeah.
Na pumasok sa Pride, pumasok yung podcast natin sa Pride Month. Pero kumbaga, di naman siya mawawala di ba? Yung
Of course.
topic na ganyan is lagi
Of
pa rin
course.
welcome sa iba't ibang klase ng tao.
And celebrating Pride is not only Pride Month, but you know, it's every day.
Yes.
It's every day we celebrate it.
Yan. So, thank you again, Myla. Kasi
you.
and we're going to see you again for the next
Sana marami pang
bukas.
Of course
na.
naman.
Bukas
Uy!
Bukas agad.
May kanya-kanya tayong gata bukas.
So, yun na nga. Thank you sa lahat sa panonood at marami pa po tayong topic na pag-uusapan.
Yes.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!